Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Analytics for mobile apps. Google Analytics or Analytics is a web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic, currently as a platform inside the Google Marketing Platform brand. Google launched the service in November 2005 after acquiring Urchin. And now in this video, we will learn how to create streams or reports for mobile apps. So what we can see here, so this is the landing page for analytics. We can see that in the data streams, it have four options. All, for iOS, for Android, and for web. Now, mobile apps is divided into two categories. The iOS for Apple users or iPhone users, and the Android for Android users. So to create a report or stream for iOS, so we will go here to add stream. When we click here, it will show three options: the iOS app, Android app, or web. So we will click iOS app. To create your report, you just need to complete the following information that Google is asking. If you want to add a mobile app for Android, so again, you will click Add Stream, then click Android app. Just like on the iOS app, you just need to complete some information before it will generate the report status for the mobile app that you want to track. And that's how you use Google Analytics for mobile apps. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.